If I were a crocodile long and green, the sneakiest reptile you've ever seen, I'd crawl down low by the riverside with swishy tail and a slippery glide. Crawl, crawl, nice and slow, belly low where the cool winds blow. Peek with one eye, then the other. Shh, don't wake your sister or brother. Leap, I were a crocodile, wild and free. What kind of snappy croc would I be? A splishy splash swimmer, a sunbathing star, with a toothy grin seen from afar. Crawl up high, crawl down low, snap, 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 now freeze and go. If I had teeth all shiny and bright, would I brush them day and night? Snap them softly, not too hard. We're friendly crocs in the backyard. Open wide, count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now close your mouth, snap, 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 but gentle snaps, just like that. If I were a croc at school today, would I crawl to class to play? Teacher says walk nice and straight, but crocs like zigzag at the gate. Slither, slide across the floor. Oops, let's try that once more. Crawl, crawl, knees so slow. Now snap and strike a pose. Freeze like a crocodile statue now. Still and quiet, take a bow. Crocodiles love the warm sunshine, resting by the river line. They float so still you hardly know. Are they moving? Yes, but slow. Lie down flat, don't make a peep. Crocodiles sometimes pretend to sleep. But wait, what's that sound? A splash nearby on the ground. Action moment, splash and snap. Ready explorers, 3, 2, 1. Splash in the water, swish your arms. Crawl back out, safe from harm. Snap once high, snap once low. Spin around, now freeze and glow. If I were a crocodile, bold and bright, crawling by day, splashing by night, I'd explore the world so wide with toothy grin and reptile pride. Snap, proud, snap, loud, be the snappiest in the crowd. Snap, 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 freeze! But here's the secret, don't you fear. You don't need scales from tail to ear. With imagination shining bright, you can be a crocodile tonight. One last crawl together. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Snap!